Alright, that's the first start. Started right up. I haven't set the ignition timing perfectly yet. Still running on the initial settings. But it sounds pretty good. I'll get the strobe light out, check the ignition timing perfectly in just a few minutes. In the meantime, you look down in here. You can see that you have good oil flow. That's always a good thing. Nice clean oil flowing nicely. Idling now at about 700 RPM or so. A little high. Watch the ammeter. See it sort of go up a little bit with revs. And let's real good throttle action. Sounds good. Okay, I'm going to that left pipe is getting darn blue. Well, the right pipe is also, so what the heck. I'm going to set the timing now and see how it goes. So basically, at this point in time, it sounds really good.